Right, I got power back on my GoPro, so I'll just film us going through Zeerust. Oh, let's stop for this guy. Oops. I think he said second road. Did he say second stop street? What did he say? Second one? Nothing here saying Gabs, eh? Second one right. So maybe it was that one, but I would think there would be a sign. Is there a sign? Yes, there's no sign here either. I must have missed it, eh? I must have missed it. Let me turn up here. Oh, stop. Hello gents, how are you? Ish, I think I missed the turn off to Gaborone. Is it one back? How many back?
You must turn here now. Straight.
This first one, eh?
On the stop side. You see, turn left. The stop
total garage.
Yeah.
The total?
Total garage.
Just go straight. Total garage.
First stop?
Yeah.
Before we stop, there'll be a total garage here.
Yeah?
And you turn left, go straight.
Turn left. Go
And that's
straight.
it? Okay, Kelebocha, né? Thank you. Thanks to the cops, there was no sign. That's what I was expecting to see, a sign up. He says I'm going to see a total garage. That was the garage I was at, which is a bit confusing. I meant this total garage, which, okay, I was at BP anyway. Total garage, up, Gaborone. Well, I've got to check on my phone, but haven't got my GPS running yet. Anyway, I think we're all good. 110 k's to the border. There's a green sign. Good thing. Kopfontein. Order 100. Oh, stop street. Stop. Right, blessed with lovely weather again for riding. A little spit of rain here and there, even coming through from Groot Mariku. Quite thick cloud cover like this. Hello, dear. Sorry, couldn't help. Whatever. Blah, blah, blah. Let's see. It's a nice cloud cover. Spitting. There's a light spit of rain. I think I'll stop it there and see you later.